With example 2, we're asked to write an equation in point-slope form and slope-intercept form for the line that passes through the points 3, 4, and 5, 10. I went ahead and sketched a graph of the line itself going through the points 3, 4, and 5, 10. And first we want point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals our slope times x minus x1. And what I'm going to show is that you can use either point. First, we have to determine the slope first. So our slope, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Remember, you can start with either point, but make sure you use the coordinates from the same point on the bottom. So x2 has to correspond to y2. You can't put x1 first if you put y2 first in your numerator. So we'll just go in order. So 10 minus 4 over 5 minus 3, which equals 6 over 2, which equals 3. And now we can use either point. So we'll start with 5, 10. So we'll make our y1 10 and our x1 5 in our point slope form. So y minus 10 equals our slope that we just determined, 3 times x minus 5. Or if we use the other point, y minus 4 equals 3 times x minus 3. Now when we put it into slope-intercept form, we can use either one of these. And we just have to solve for y. So we'll start with the first equation that we found. So the point is we can use either one of these are just as valid, and we can use either one of those to solve for y and get it in slope-intercept form. So let's start with y minus 10 equals 3 times x minus 5. Go ahead and distribute the 3. We get y minus 10 equals 3x minus 15. And again, that's just distributing the 3 to both the x and the minus 5. And then add 10 to both sides, and we get y equals 3x minus 15 plus 10 is minus 5. So there's slope-intercept form. And now we'll go ahead and we'll use the other equation to show that they both yield the same slope-intercept form. So y minus 4 equals 3 times x minus 3. Distribute the 3, y minus 4 equals 3x minus 9. Add 4 to both sides, and we get y equals 3x minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. So there's the same slope-intercept form, and that also verifies that both of our point-slope equations are correct.